We are making steamed green beans tossed in a spicy Asian sauce. And that is me. I am Instant Pot Dave, TheWildWaynes, cooking dinner in our 30-foot fifth wheel trailer. If you do find my videos helpful, share this video with your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and that way we can see you again soon. We're going to start this recipe off by making our spicy Asian sauce. With some granulated garlic and granulated onion. And some warm nutty flavor of some sesame oil. And a little zing from some rice wine vinegar. Then we'll heat it up with some sriracha. You could always skip your sriracha if you want to skip the heat. And then we'll add a couple of tablespoons of honey just to sweeten the sauce a little bit. Doesn't that look good? And it'll thicken the sauce a little bit as well for some amazing flavor. Finish it off with a couple shots of soy sauce. Yeah, we have all these brilliant flavors we're gonna mix into this amazing sauce. And you can add any steamed vegetable to the sauce. And we're gonna break the heads and tails off our green beans and break them into bite-sized pieces. You can use your knife if you'd rather. And we'll pour 1 cup of water into our Instant Pot. And we'll place our steamer basket inside. Let's push our green beans into the steamer basket. We'll put our Instant Pot lid on. Seal our pressure release valve. And we'll pressure cook for 0 minutes. After the Instant Pot has come to pressure, it'll beep at you. We'll immediately release our pressure release valve. And we'll take off our lid. You can see there's plenty of steam inside. And our green beans turned out brilliant green color and are steamed to perfection. The steam basket I use, I'm madly in love with. I warm up leftovers in it, and the steamer basket can take a pretty hard scrub. There's a link in this video's description if you want to get one for yourself. And then we'll stir our green beans into our sauce. We have enough sauce here for up to 5 pounds of green beans. Plenty of sauce to go around. We just made 1 pound for my wife and I. And there's our beautiful steamed green beans and a spicy Asian sauce. We put our green beans next to our katsu-style Mongolian hamburger patty we're playing around with. And we made some rice made with a little chicken broth and sesame oil. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. These green beans turn out super soft and tender, but yet firm. And the sauce is spicy. You can tame it down by adding less sriracha or omitting the sriracha altogether. Incredibly delicious. These are my new favorite green beans. Well, I had a whole lot of fun, everybody. It's time to put this sleepyhead to bed and say goodnight. And remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share our video with your friends and family. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it, and you can print it off and take a look at our other recipes as well. And take care of yourselves out there. I do appreciate you all. We'll see you next time. Good night.
Wow!